Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to link Binance with Hahm. First, we'll prepare your Binance account for API key generation. Then, I'll show you where to find the API management section. Finally, we'll generate a new API key in secret, ensuring you understand the necessary permissions for a secure connection. This initial setup is crucial for seamless integration. To generate your API keys, log into Binance and go to the API management section. You'll need to enable two-factor authentication first. Create a new system-generated API key, giving it a clear label like Hahm. Crucially, enable only read permissions for security. Once generated, carefully copy both the API key and the secret key, as the secret key is shown only once. Keep these safe. Now, switch over to your Hahm account. Log in and navigate to the section for connecting exchanges or API integration. This area is where you'll input the credentials you just generated. Carefully paste your Binance API key into its designated field. Then, do the same for your Binance secret key. Double-check that both keys are entered correctly to avoid any connection issues. After entering your keys, it's important to verify the connection. Look for a status indicator within Ham's interface that confirms a successful link to Binance. You should also check for real-time data synchronization, ensuring your Binance information is accurately reflected. If you encounter any problems, review your API key permissions on Binance and ensure the keys were copied without error. A secure and accurate connection is key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.